Now, we shall look at some of the examples, some of the robots that have been used or keep being used in the manufacturing industry to achieve some of these things that we have spoken about. We have automated repetitive tasks. Again, that is something that our robots can easily do. We can talk about issues related to car accidents. Again, when you employ intelligence tools within these manufacturing industries, that can again be avoided because the intelligence tools will be able to ascertain where a car is likely to either run into another object or run over a person, and apply automated braking systems in such a way that it avoids colliding or it avoids running a person over. These are technologies that have been implemented and have been put to use elsewhere, and the success stories have been overwhelming. Working in high temperature environments, again, is something that can easily be handled by the robots in the manufacturing industries. They can inspect, they can assure the clients or the management that whatever has been produced at high speed and at high quality, without necessarily compromising the quality just because you've got huge numbers. So, in a nutshell, even in the manufacturing industry, robots have been seen to be very, very helpful in terms of cost reduction, in terms of quality assurance, in terms of managing inventory, so that we do not either oversupply or run out of the products, because they will be able to manage all those and many more other tasks, such that the human being is left to do other more important tasks.